They would use a car or a golf cart to gain speed, and that's exactly what we were about to do.
Hey, there's us!
You need a car.
Hey, they rolled the car out, we caught it.
We're on a closed off racetrack. I'm harnessed in. This is completely safe.
And obviously we have the safety professionals. Don't try this at home.
All right, punch it!
Here we go, here we go. Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going.
It's going!
Nice throw, Ty.
Come on!
Yeah, baby. Dude, that boy's moving.
Damn, that was close.
Stop here, I'm gonna hop out. That's a good intern. That's what I'm talking about. Bro, we can make it in 15 minutes. My boy, let's go!
15 minutes might be a little short.
With Doha's optimism and our secret weapon, each attempt got closer to a strike.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, wow.
Oh, she's moving.
Holy smokes.
It's always going left, though.
Yeah, we need to go more right, it seems.
Come on, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Slow, slow, slow.
I think it's too right. It's way too right. Give me some speed.
Left, 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 left.
That could be good.
Oh my God. Oh, I have a feeling this could be it. Something could happen. Something could happen. Oh.
So close.
Come on, yeah. Al, you're killing it.
Eric's honestly lining me up good.
For God's sake, hit those freaking cones, please.
GoPro's gone.
Just like that, we were down a camera, and it was just getting hotter and windier.
Eric and Doha are basically just hanging out near the pins because it is so windy out here. We've had a couple very close calls where the pins got knocked down before the ball even got there.
You technically got a strike, you know that, right?
How?
You guys threw the ball and then the wind knocked them all down. I think that could technically be a
No. So we're gonna move the pins a little bit further back and hope that this goes well.